Hey guys, today is going to be a good one. We are dealing with one of my favorite things, Plasti dip. And how are we exactly going to be dealing with Plasti dip? Well, the time has come. My short-lived, glorious, color shift Nordic blue Plasti dip job shall be no more. I've had this paint job for probably close to 3 months now, 4 months. I don't know. That's about long enough. I will be doing a total transformation. Why, might you ask? Why the new force change? Well, this is my brand. This is my company, my business, if you will. And I need to be able to display all of my talents. So by doing different paint jobs and keeping it mixed up, keep on changing it, each time I show that I'm capable of something different. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be switching up the paint jobs. I'm going to be changing up the different styles. You know, I want to keep it all pretty well within my realm of appreciation. I don't want to try and do stuff that maybe I wouldn't like, and more or less for other people, but at the same time I could take and implement different types of paint jobs, wraps, and dips and stuff, and conform them to what style I like while still exemplifying what I'm capable of. So the color shift did good. It did its job, but it's time for the next phase. And this one will be a little bit more laid back. It is going to be still going to be a unique color. I'll say that. I don't want to give too much away. I don't want to give it all away, okay? I'm a respectable young lady, and just because this is the first date doesn't mean you're getting anything. Unless it's like a really nice steakhouse or something, but it's not. This is a Golden Corral date, and I'm holding it. I'm holding out. Holding out for that spaghetti factory. So, in the meantime, hang tight. Enjoy the cinematic views of what is Spokane, Washington. And when we arrive to the shop, we'll get started with removing the Plasti dip and showing how well it held up to the weather, and see if it really is as easy to remove as everybody says it is. Here it is, guys. The moment you've all been waiting for. The removal of the Plasti dip. This should be fairly easy, straightforward. Peel panel by panel, get it all taken off. Tomorrow we'll be ready to prep for paint. There's a few little dings and dents I need to take care of, but today we're peeling back some Plasti dip. So cue the montage, if you will. We are almost done, guys. So far, I got the spoiler off. That's looking nice. I gotta clean up all that adhesive. Sorry about the wind out here. It is pretty crazy. Got most of the side clean, the hood. I gotta come back through, hit this side and the roof, and then I'm gonna hit the bumpers and the side skirts. I think that's all we're gonna do for today. Tomorrow, obviously, we're gonna wanna get this bad boy up and going because Operation Paint Me still needs to be completed. We are one step closer. I got most everything all done, but it's super windy. I'm super tired, and I promised I would have dinner over here, so we're gonna take care of that, and we'll pick this up tomorrow with another episode. We're gonna remove the bottom trim panels, get them all peeled, and hopefully get this thing one step closer to getting some paint on her. Thanks, guys.